naivety. You've got this vast army building that is evil, that's given itself a name, that thinks nothing of murder on a grand scale. And you're going to fight it with videos of cute animals. That's not going to work, they'll say. And here's what I'm going to tell you. Oh, yes it is. You don't know what I know. Things are not always as you think they're going to be or as they seem, because you don't know about the benevolence factor. You don't know how light can spread. When humans start thinking a certain way, common sense will tell you that's the source. Now, I've just presented something I've never said before. The benevolence factor is real. It's an amplification of the light in human consciousness. It is infectious. For the new human will gravitate toward peaceful things, not toward drama. Slowly, you will see certain kinds of television programs reduce their population, their popularity. The advertisers will see it too, and they won't want to fund anymore programs that show people arguing for fun. Watch this. I want you to see something that is not a prediction. We're almost there, you thought, and suddenly it got worse. Not that it just get worse, it got funded. They can't win, dear ones, because you got a ticket. How long is it worth waiting for? And what are you going to do? Are you just going to hold it in your hand? Are you going to suffer through it? Are you going to be a victim, wondering when it's going to happen? Or are you going to hold it up high and say, we deserve this, and it's coming. Let's go. Let's figure out how to defeat the darkness. We'll start with yourselves, becoming more gentle to one another, practicing on a micro level. It's infectious. That's the factor nobody expects, because it's not in 3D. It's not a prophecy. It's a fact. It's coming, and we see it. You've got the tickets. Don't put them away. Don't tear them up. Don't be discouraged. Hang in there, because things are not always as they seem. I know your name, and I'm proud of you. And so it is.